Computer Science Play tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about the machine learning. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a technology that gives the machine the ability to learn by itself without being explicitly programmed. So by this technology, machine can be able to learn by its own. Machine can behave by itself without any instructions uh, passed by ourselves. So why we use this machine learning technology? To deal with the continuously increasing data, we use the machine learning technology because humans' capability is insufficient to deal with these continuously increasing complex data. So by using this machine learning technology, it can easily deal with the complex data. So entire data is divided into two sets: training data set and test data set. So now we will see the working of the machine learning. We will feed the training data to the algorithm, machine learning algorithm. This can be some classification algorithm or regression algorithm, any kind of algorithm. We feed the training data to the machine learning algorithm. By this data, machine learning algorithm learns from training data. And it produces some model, this model. So when we give test data, this is new data to this model, new data, previously unseen data to this model. When we give the test data to this model, it produces output by itself without any instructions or commands. So this is how machine learning algorithm works. Let's see the applications of machine learning. Virtual personal assistants. Personal assistants. Examples: Amazon, Alexa, Cortana, CD, Google Assistant. These so let's see how it works. It records our voice commands and refers to the database and get relevant answers. So input voice command, it goes to the database, searches and get the relevant answers. So how this is virtual personal assistants work. This is how virtual personal assistants work. So completed. Social media personalization. Whenever we make a search about some product, it gives all relevant products related to our search. This is happening by using the social media personalization application. It can be possible by using machine learning. Traffic predictions. The best example is Google Maps. Based on the various users' feedback, it suggests the routes which is light traffic routes. So this is how traffic predictions works. Email spam filtering. So nowadays our email box is full of spam mails. By this application, it automatically stores all the spam mails into spam box and genuine mails into our account. So by this we can easily detect the spam mails. Stock market trading. It stores all the previous stock market trends in database, and by using some algorithm, it derives some patterns. By these patterns, we can decide where to invest our money in stock markets. Medical sciences. Machine learning is very useful in medical sciences because there are thousands and thousands of lakhs of patients' data are stored on hospital database. So single human being cannot be able to analyze this data. So by using machine learning algorithm, it gives some features so that by this we can make predictions on it. Online fraud detection. By using machine learning algorithms, whenever a request for transaction is obtained, it gives to machine learning algorithm, and this algorithm classifies the frauds and genuine transactions. By this, we can easily come out of the fraud transactions. Automatic translation. This can be image to text translation, image to text, or any one language to another language. Machine learning makes efficient transactions. So these are the applications of machine learning. So this is about today's class. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. In the next class, I am going to explain the forms of machine learning. That is supervised, unsupervised, reinforced. So please don't miss it. Please watch my next video also. Thank you.